Buongiorno, it's Scott Gaulden from Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations. I'm at the Cersaie Tile Show in Bologna, Italy. This is an international tile show where exhibitors from all over the world come to show what their latest products are. We're going to be touring the show to try to determine what are the trends in tile that we can expect to see in America. So come join me. I'm with Marcio Mueller. He's a friend of mine that runs Eliane Tile. It's a Brazilian tile firm. They do a lot of exporting to the United States. And he's going to tell us a little bit about what are the popular trends in tile today. So thank you for taking the time to visit with me, Marcio. It's a pleasure to see you again.
Thank you for coming over. I mean, just coming over to the show.
Yes.
It shows that you are, in tune with the industry and looking for the latest trends.
Sure. Well, a lot of my customers are looking to redo kitchens, bathrooms, and of course the American consumer is a little bit different than some of the other consumers. So what would be some of the trends that you think that we should be aware of as we're looking for tile today?
Yeah, sure. I'll be glad to talk about that. And you know how those trends that they may start in Europe and we may see them as different, but it's a matter of time before they come into our market.
Yes.
So I'll talk about three things.
Yes.
One is color.
Okay.
Now we were into gray for a long time.
Yes.
We have definitely migrated back to the lighter beiges and to the whites. And these are some of the shades.
I've even seen grays, but the grays even have beiges in them now.
Yeah,
right?
They have some beige influence, or a white like this that is not a pure white, but what we call an off-white.
Yes.
I think the message is colors that are warm and really give you a sense of comfort.
Yes.
Okay,
yeah,
so this is a color that we're exploring a lot these days and it's working very well. We call it off-white.
Okay.
The other thing is texture on the wall.
Okay. Yeah. What a beautiful tile.
This is this type of texture. You can only obtain this if you, in the manufacturing process, you press it.
Yes.
With a mold.
Okay.
So you get this depth, from the high point to the low point.
Yes.
Of course, the piece is digitally decorated.
Okay.
So you also get the decoration in the high and the low points of the tile.
Right.
And this makes for a very striking, bathroom, future wall, a shower.
Two different color tones when the light's coming from the top, right?
When the light hits on it, you get that depth, that richness that really makes it stand out.
Okay. Great.
And then the other thing is larger tiles, larger sizes.
These are huge. My installers are cursing you right now already. These large tiles are hard.
Less pieces to install.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, how about that? But I think the message is okay. So this is a 48 inch tile. All right. It's a huge square.
Yes.
But maybe we can do a migration from a 12 by 24 to a 24.
Yes.
And in the wall, you can go to a 12 by 30 instead of 12 by 24. Go to a 12 by 36.
Yes.
Like, this one I'm going to show you over here.
Okay.
So just, take the next step up.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a
12 by 36.
By 36
yes.
rectangle, and just that adds so much more to the final presentation.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So here you see those themes again with the lighter color and the 3D, accent piece on the wall.
Right.
That gives you all kinds of.
I love the mixed media, the mixed, the plain texture up against the more texture too. I think that's a really nice look. So.
Now this, you make an installation like this, you're gonna have the only bathroom in the whole area with something different instead of just going, flat tile.
Right. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. That would look really. If you're looking for a unique look, being able to mix the flat with the textured would be a nice design, wouldn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And that one more thing is what we call the rectify tile.
Yes.
Which is just taking the tile after it comes out of the kiln and putting it through a cutting machine that cuts off the of the four edges.
Right.
So you get an exact dimension from tile to tile, so you can install it with a tighter grout joint than you normally would. And that's going to add so much to the final presentation because the transition from tile to tile will be more seamless as you see it here.
Yes.
So, in a nutshell, those are some of the things that are coming from international market that I think we should be tuned in.
Great. Marcio, thank you so much for being a part of this.
All right, thanks.
It's so good to see you.
Good to see you again.
All right. To discuss your next home improvement project, contact us at 940-566-6169 or visit us on the web at simmonsfloors.com.